So I'll put this on every third hole. One of these go into them. Now I can't get a socket on here, which I will, and actually tighten this up. But for right now, I'm just gonna put them in my hand. Like I said, no instructions, so I'm just guessing. I'm assuming you bomb these out to where they need to go. You know, they're going in pretty easy actually, so I really don't do need to do too much. So, I believe I just put this thing right over. And that's this right here. Next thing I guess I also have to do too is, now I believe you don't want to go too far into this thing, so I guess like that's the whole point of adjusting this thing here. Alright, so I'm just adjusting this so it doesn't go too far into anything here. Don't know if it actually really does matter or not, but I'm just gonna just do it just because I can do it, and that's it. Alright, so I'm gonna put these nuts on just while I drill, just to keep this stable. But I think these nuts here are more for installing than breaking through. So we're not gonna be installing it today. We're just gonna be removing it, and we're gonna be talking about some things after I get this installed, and you know, it's going to go for probably what the video's gonna be like for the rest of the week. Like I said, I'm trying to do Monday to Friday videos. Like I said, sometimes it's just kind of like, you know, I don't want to make a crappy video, so I don't post, you know, I'm not going to sit there and just make a crappy video like I was sometimes. So, yeah. So, let's get this drilled out, and hopefully it goes nice and easy. Is it even drilling through? There you go, oh shit. Alright, so I got one hole drilled. Alright, next we got these screws right here, which, like I said, I believe I'm assuming we're just going to be screwing these right into here. Now, I can use a Phillips, or I can use a impact. I'm probably going to use the impact, that's the closest thing I have, because the drill I have, remember what I said about the drill before. Oh shit, don't strip that out, please. Please not strip it out, please. There she is. There's the old seal. Well, I guess that's really the seal that holds the metal that holds the seal, and then there's the actual seal. So that goes like that. I'm gonna keep this reference. There's the seal right there. Alright, so we got this up off here now. So all I have to do now is put the new gasket on the back of here. Clean this up first. Put that gasket on. Clean up the old bell housing up on that engine. Put it on this engine. get all that situated. Now, like I said, I'm not gonna do that today. Like I said, this is, I'm just putting video guys out for you tonight because, like I said, it's late. It's about 12 o'clock by now at this point. Had some other stuff I had to do at home, stuff, blah blah. So sorry for the short video. I'm probably gonna make one large video with this video, but this is gonna be Monday's video. Hopefully, it'll be Monday's video, and just edit real quick just to give you guys a little video for today, entertainment, a little bit of curiosity what's going on with the engine. So got that off there. Like I said, other thing we're going to be doing is as well as replacing the front seal, but I got to order that one first before I do anything with it. So, order that one. We're good to go on that. And yeah, that's really it for today's video, guys. I'm sorry it's like a very dead short video. It's like, sorry, like, you know, it's kind of like, you know, working right now, trying to get this booked up to my girlfriend's stepdad, and, you know, it's a lot of work going on, you know. And plus, I've only been getting 3 hours of sleep every single night for the past 2 weeks, and then I just really want to try to get some sleep. So, forgive me on that, please. I hope you forgive me. And other than that, let's you guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave it down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, do your fellow dreams, stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.